Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is Cocktail Time with Jamie, and it is Monday. It is Monday, December 13th. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend, an awesome week. I wasn't really on Facebook for my cocktail time, but I was on in the mornings with Marcus, and we would do a lot of Facebook Lives from Mexico. So hope everybody is well. Hope you had a great weekend. Hello, hello. I see some people joining me. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me one of your favorite holiday drinks. I'd love to find out what some of your favorite cocktail drinks are. Today I'm going to be making a pink peppermint cocktail. I'm going to be using organic candy canes, vodka, white chocolate, like a white chocolate country cream, and peppermint schnapps. So hello, hello. I see some people joining. Hello, Arnold. Somebody new. I don't recognize your name, Arnold. So welcome to my cocktail times. For those of you that don't know, I try to do these every day during the week. I usually skip the weekends unless I'm away and just can't get live. So thank you for watching me. I appreciate it, and hopefully I'll be live here in a moment. In the meantime, our takeout special this week are our burgers. It's $11.99 to go. Any of our burgers that are on our menu, including the chickpea burger, it's $11.99. Today is the last day for that, and our new $9.99 special will start on Thursday. We've been doing these specials since the beginning of COVID, so almost 2 years ago. So how many months ago was this? 20 months ago, 22 months ago. And so we have been doing these specials. We'll be coming up with more specials as time goes on. We'll be coming up with different things, usually a $9.99 special that goes Thursday to Monday. Tonight we have our wine dinner. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. It is pretty much sold out. We have quite a crew. If you are interested in still coming, please let me know. Give a call. Maybe we can fit you in somewhere. We are, let's see, we are gearing up for our Christmas Day soup kitchen, which is on Christmas Day. We'll be starting to prep every week for that, and we'll feed probably about 300 to 400 people. No questions asked. Christmas Day soup kitchen. This will be our 19th year of doing that. If you can donate anything for that, we would highly appreciate that. It takes about $5 to $7 a person to give these meals out, plus all of the volunteer time and maybe not having as many people in the restaurant, so we pay our staff as well to do a bunch of things for our Christmas soup kitchen. It is a no questions asked. You can go to the Family of Ellenville, put your name on a list there. I will be handing out slips so people can sign up at some of the local senior centers. So that should be in the senior centers this week. I'm waiting to have somebody help me do that. So that will get done this week. We are open Christmas Eve. We're going to open at 4 and close at 10. That is Christmas Eve. We will be open. We are open New Year's Eve. We will open also at 4, and our last seating will be at 7:30. I highly recommend making reservations for New Year's Eve. If you know that you'd like to come in for New Year's Eve, we are taking limited reservations, and the kitchen will close around 9 o'clock, and then this way our staff can go home and enjoy their New Year's with their family or friends, whoever they choose to celebrate with. And what else am I missing here? Oh, and we have 99 bottles of wine on the bar coming in January. It is Martin Luther King weekend, that's Sunday. I think it is the 16th of January. We are doing it a little different format this year. We will have lots of bottles of wine on the bar. It will include a cheese course, and you will have a seat at a table. The tickets will go on sale very shortly, and you have to buy tickets depending upon how many people will be sitting at your table. So 99 bottles of wine on the bar. We're only doing one seating. We're taking about 40 people. That is it. The prices are $49 a person. It includes a cheese dish and wine, 99 bottles of wine on the bar. You don't have to drink them all, of course. And it is your table, your seat for the day, and you can enjoy that seat. And then we do have a VIP wine tasting that begins an hour and a half before. That begins at 12, so it's from 12 to 1:30. And that is VIP, that is $30 more, and that includes some VIP wines that Marcus and I will pull from our personal cellar. So you can taste wine personally with Marcus and I. I believe there are only 8 to 10 seats for that available. So if you're interested in that, get on it as soon as the tickets come out. We will let you know when the tickets are available. And let's see, that is a lot of housekeeping type stuff. Hope I'm sorry. Hello, Susan, Joni, Sean. Thank you, everybody. Heather, Arnold, thank you for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you hear. And now on to my cocktail. So today is a pink peppermint cocktail. I'm going to be doing some holiday cocktails coming up to Christmas. Hopefully you can find something that you really like that you can enjoy with your family. We found some really cool cocktails in Mexico, so I'll be making some of those. But I'm super excited to bring some of these to you. So I am going to start with a little bit of honey on my plate. And I am going to put that around the rim of my glass, just very lightly around the rim of my glass. And then I'm going to dip that into some peppermint, some crushed up candy canes. Ooh, hopefully that works there. I haven't done this yet, so I'm sorry if it's falling apart here. But there we have some crushed candy canes. I have to find, if anybody knows the best way to get candy canes to stick to a glass, I'd love to hear it. There we go, we have a little bit of candy canes on the glass. I'm going to put a little bit of candy canes in the bottom of the glass as well to give it a little bit more pepperminty flavor. And I'm going to use LIV vodka from Long Island Spirits, 2 ounces. You can use any vodka that you like. I'm going to add a splash of peppermint organic flavor to my cocktail. So just a squirt. It's almost like a bitters, but a little stronger. I'm going to add about 1 ounce of white chocolate cream. You can use half and half. You could use creme de cacao. I just didn't have those with me. A splash of agave and a splash more of the chocolate. I think it just needs a splash more. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shake that on up. And I'm going to pour it into my, ooh, that peppermint flavor smells good. You can use creme de peppermint or creme de menthe too if you have any of that available. And I'm going to top it off with some ice. And there you have it, your pink peppermint cocktail. I'm going to mix that on up. And let's see how that tastes. Hello, hello everybody. Hello Sean. Thank you everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. And let's go ahead and taste away. So I use these, and you can also top it off with a little candy cane if you'd like. Just put it on the, I don't want to waste a candy cane because I'm not going to eat it. Put a candy cane right on the drink. Actually, you know what? Because we'll be taking a picture of this, I will go ahead and I will add that candy cane in there. I can open it without breaking it. So thank you everybody for watching me. I really, really appreciate it. Let's see if I get this candy cane out here. And kind of broke the candy cane a little bit, but you don't really need, you just need it to hang off the glass a little bit, or hang off like that. And there you go. Let's go ahead and taste and see how it tastes. Oh, yummy. I would say maybe a drop more of peppermint. Cheers, Heather. So I'm just going to add a drop more of peppermint in there and mix that on up. You can use peppermint liqueur. You can use, oh, it's very good. Very good. Excellent. So a nice holiday drink to make at your holiday party. Maybe make a picture of it. Put it out. It's really yummy. And that's it. Let's see. So our $11.99 special to go this week are our burgers, including our veggie burger, and lots of cool upcoming fun things coming up. And that's it. I will hopefully be on tomorrow. If I'm not on tomorrow, I apologize, but I will hopefully be on tomorrow. And that is it. Happy almost holidays, everybody, and we'll catch you all soon. Cheers.